In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to the head section of your WordPress site. Whether you're looking for the easiest way to handle meta tags or you intend to dive into manual methods, I've got you covered with a few different approaches. We'll explore not only simple plugin-based solutions, but also some techniques for those who'd like to get their hands into a bit of coding. Let's begin with the easiest and most recommended method, which is by using an SEO plugin. Popular choices for this task are Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or SEO Press. If you choose this option, start by installing and activating your preferred plugin. These plugins offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to add meta titles, descriptions, keywords, and open graph tags for your posts, pages, and even your homepage, without the need to edit any code directly. You can easily navigate to the plugin settings or use the SEO meta box found in the post and page editor to manage all your meta tags effortlessly. For those who prefer a more manual approach, let's discuss how you can edit the header.php file. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Once inside, select the header.php file from your active theme. Look for the opening tag and place your meta tags just below it. Here's an example of what you might include for descriptions, keywords, and robot instructions. After making these changes, don't forget to save your file. Keep in mind, though, that this method applies static meta tags across your site, and you would need to reapply them if you ever switch themes. The third method involves using your functions. .php file to add dynamic meta tags. You can add a PHP function directly in your theme's functions.php file or use a code snippets plugin for convenience. Here's a sample function for adding custom meta tags. Simply insert an echo statement for each tag within this function and then add an action to link it properly with WordPress's head section. This approach allows for dynamic adjustments and better integration with WordPress hooks. Alternatively, you can utilize a code snippet plugin like WP Code, insert headers and footers. Install the plugin, navigate directly to its interface, and add your meta tags in the header scripts section. This method is great for keeping your changes intact even if you decide to change themes later. No matter which method you choose, remember some best practices. Use unique meta descriptions tailored to each page whenever possible. Keep your keyword meta tags relevant and avoid spammy content. Lastly, confirm that your